Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you if you're getting an error message while you type webpack inside your terminal. If you can't access webpack through the terminal, if you're getting this error message, webpack is not recognized as an internal or external command. So in this video I will show you how to fix this. So potentially you need to install webpack globally. So the first command will be webpack npm i-g for globally installing webpack inside your system. So just execute this command, press enter. This is the first command that you need to execute. So you can see it has added 77 packages. Now the second one will be webpack CLI. This one also you need to execute npm i-g once again for globally installing webpack CLI. Enter. So this will install 41 packages. You will see that. Now the third one is the webpack development server. All these three packages we have installed using the -g flag, which is for globally installing it. npm i-g webpack dev server. So just install this, execute this command. This will also install some packages. Now you can see it has added 198 packages. So if you now write the command webpack, you will see the webpack command will be successful. As you write the command right here in the terminal, the webpack, you will be able to build your projects using webpack. You can see you just need to set a configuration file for this. So if you are building any sort of project, React, Angular, you can now access the command here. It's very simple. You can see we have installed this webpack version. It is printing out the. So in this way you can do this. Webpack, if you don't know, it's a build environment similar to Vite to actually build out projects. Also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools related to audio, video and image.